In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not working. We'll go through a series of steps that can help resolve common issues you might face with Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, we need to restart Microsoft Word. Close Microsoft Word completely to begin. Then, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. This will open the Task Manager. From the list of running applications, select Microsoft Word. Once you've highlighted Microsoft Word, click on End Task. This step is essential because it ensures any background processes associated with Word are fully terminated, allowing for a fresh start. Next up, let's restart your computer. Click on the Start button, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select Power. Then click on Restart. Restarting your computer can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system, which could be affecting Word's performance. After your computer restarts, we'll move on to disabling Word add-ins. Open Microsoft Word again. Click on File, then Options. In the new window, select Add-ins from the list on the left. You'll see a box next to CAIM Add-ins. Click on Go beside it. Uncheck all the add-ins that are currently enabled. Finally, click OK to save these settings. Restart Word after this step. Disabling add-ins can be crucial as some add-ins might conflict with Word, causing it to malfunction. Now, let's focus on repairing a corrupted document. Open Microsoft Word once more. Click on File, then Open. Next, click Browse to locate the file you're having trouble with. Select the file, but don't open it just yet. Click on the arrow beside the Open button and choose Open and Repair from the drop-down list. This process attempts to repair any damage to the file, which can resolve issues you're experiencing. Moving forward, we'll update Microsoft Word to ensure you're using the latest version. Open Word again and click on File, then click Account. Here you'll see an option called Update Options. Click on it and select Update Now. After the update process is complete, restart Word. Keeping your software updated is vital because updates often include fixes for bugs and improvements in performance. By now, you should see improvements in Microsoft Word's functionality. If Word is still not working correctly, you might need to delve into more advanced troubleshooting steps. However, these basic steps resolve most common issues. Regular maintenance such as updating software and checking add-ins can prevent many problems before they start. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a little patience and know-how, you can troubleshoot most issues on your own. Thank you for watching and have a great day.